Welcome back to my channel, friends. We are here at Irata, which is located at a distance of 8 kilometers from Rangat. So could you see that tower on the hill? It is a mangrove view watchtower, which is a unique structure of its kind, which provides an opportunity to have a panoramic view of mangroves and adjacent forest. Hello friends, today we came here Irata. I am showing you the nursery of mangrove trees. You can see all over, these are mangrove trees nursery. So we are going to start our walk from here. Stick with us because this video is gonna be very interesting. We came here on our cycle ride to make it more fun. These children got tired, so for some time we will take rest under this eco hut. So let's go, watch it out. After that we'll start a bench walk again. This is the entrance from where we have started our walk, and we are moving now after taking rest. These guys are ready now, so let's move. As a step towards creating awareness among general public about mangroves, Department of Environment and Forest has established a Mangrove Interpretation Center, which has attractive display panels depicting various species of mangroves found in these islands. Irata is having a jetty from where ferry is operated to Long Island, as I shown you in my previous video. This place is well connected by road, has breathtaking scenic beauty of various species of mangroves, and is an ideal location to learn about diverse variety of mangroves. We have already watched a 13-meter high mangrove view watchtower where visitors can enjoy panoramic views of this small center. This mangrove bench walk is a very good natural trail of 350 meters. I hope we should not meet any crocodiles here. Again, a very big thanks to the Department of Environment and Forest. They have done a really good job. Hope you are enjoying, guys. This is a unique feature of Andaman. Mangrove trees or shrubs grows in shallow and muddy salt water or brackish water, especially along quiet shorelines. This place is very calm and quiet. Do you know? The Andaman Islands have 35 and the Nicobar Islands have 21 true mangrove species. In Andaman group of islands alone, Area under mangroves is 612 square kilometer, while in Nicobar group of island, mangroves occupy only 3 square kilometer. Area-wise, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are third in the country after West Bengal and Gujarat. North and Middle Andamans offer excellent scope for creek safari, a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The Mangrove Creek Safari in Andaman can be done at Irata Creek and Dharinala. There we can see our cycles. So we have finally completed our 350 meters of the bench walk through mangrove forest. So if you belong to this island, it's my request to please visit this area once in your life, because it is so beautiful. You will like it too. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and keep watching.